Many of you have been asking how we can use this Yealink MTR system or other than TF-CUC platforms. This is a solution, Yealink WPP30. I will show you how to set it up. First, you need to pair the dongle with the system, MVC system. I will show you how. You insert this dongle in the USB port of the touchscreen panel. As soon as you insert the dongle, the LED blinks. Amber LED means it's pairing, and immediately it will turn into green. That indicates that the dongle is paired with the system. Now you can remove this dongle. Now I will insert the dongle in my laptop. The dongle will be pairing, and immediately it will turn green. And as you can see, it is showing some indications on your taskbar, and the software is running. And this dongle will pair with the system, and it will show on the dashboard two options. One is the start share, other one on the corner you can see there is an option called BYOD mode. So first we will check the content sharing or sharing mode. Now if I will press this button, you can see on the screen that the content sharing is started. Now I will show you the other function. As you can see that the dashboard is showing one option is the press to share, other option is showing BYOD mode. As soon as I press this button, you can see that in the team setup, I can select the camera, which is our Yealink room camera. As soon as I select the Yealink room camera, you will see that the camera will come out from the standby mode. As you can see, now this is showing my video. So now this MVC bundle has become a peripheral for my laptop, and I can do any type of meeting from my laptop. So now you know how you can use the Yealink MVC bundle as your BYOD device. Similarly, you can use the Yealink WPP30 to work for your BYOD device with the Yealink MeetingBoards, which are A30, A40, and along with the meeting boards. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.